Okay, you guys, I just wanted to make a little clip here about my progress. I'm looking really bad. It's like 11 o'clock at night, but I'm trying to finish this. This is the first time I did a sew-in in a while, but I just wanted to stop and show you guys my progress. I don't have my camera on a tripod, so forgive me if it's shaking, but I just wanted to stop and let you guys see how beautiful this hair is. This hair is really nice. Now, please excuse how I look and my shirt. This is my hair doing shirt. I know all the girls have it. But this is just one bundle of 20 inches, and I doubled up the wefts, so I didn't sew it in just one single weft. I actually doubled the track up and then sewn it in. This is just one bundle of 20, and I'm like halfway done, so I just wanted you to see this. The hair is so gorgeous. It is, I love the wave. And I'm 5'9", and this comes down all the way to almost my waist. Well, actually to my waist. So I just wanted to stop and show you guys. Here is the closure. I'm just sewing the hair around the closure, but I'm not done yet. Yeah, I have the little bow from the hair hold my closure hair to the side, so I know it looks kind of weird, but I just wanted to stop and make this clip and show you guys my progress, and I will continue.